Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a shout out video. So if I get any of these names wrong, I am really sorry. But as always, I'm going to link their website, well, their YouTube channel in the description. So the first shout out goes to DJ Yang Production. This is an awesome YouTube channel. They do a lot of like free music, really cool music, and they've been really supportive on my channel. So check out their channel, and I'm scrolling down. Next shout out goes to Crossbow. They got a really fun family channel, and they're really supportive of my channel. I'm gonna link their YouTube channel in the description too. And sorry, I'm scrolling down. This is gonna be non-AG related. I will be doing another video for my AG, since my channel is AG, but I do have other people that watch my channel. So alright, the next shout out goes to Harley's Fun Factory. She's got a really fun channel. She's really sweet, and she's really supportive on my channel. So definitely check out her channel. I will link her channel in the description too. And this is my last one. I will be doing more shout out videos. This is for non-AG. Russian Kids is another really cool YouTube channel. A lot of fun videos. Check out their channel. They're really supportive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.